What a playful way to strengthen your child's fingers without them even noticing they're working hard. Try this fun and splashy game that feels like water play but builds real life skills. You will need a child-sized spray bottle, some water, and a surface to spray, like a window, a chalkboard, or even plants. Fill the bottle and show your child how to squeeze using their thumb, index, and middle finger. They can spray to water plants, clean glass, or just have fun with it. Struggling to press? Start with a smaller bottle. Support it with the other hand or allow two-handed squeezing in the beginning. Ready to play? Add printed targets, letters, or colored shapes. Turn it into a game. Spray the red circle, erase the chalk letter, or race to hit the alphabet. Squeeze, spray, and smile. This playful activity builds real-life finger strength your child needs every day.